Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm a disabled YouTuber who makes content trying to educate people about disability as well as talking about the other things I'm interested in. If you'd like to learn all about my disability, you can check the link in the description down below. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a vision impaired makeup tutorial showing you my everyday makeup look. So I will usually start by washing my face and then putting a little bit of moisturizer on if I need to, if it's kind of like colder so my face is more dry. And then I will go in with my MAC makeup. This is just regular foundation. Next I'll go in with this, which is a concealer. I am missing the top of it, but I will just basically squirt a little bit onto my hand and then put it in the places that I think need to be concealed. Next, I just go in with a makeup brush and blend it all together. And then I once again just check to make sure it looks good. Then, especially in the winter, I usually go in with a little bit of chapstick or lip balm, just in case my lips are really dry. And then I will also put on a little bit of lipstick if I want to. And then I give it a bit of a squirt to just spray my face. And there you have it, a vision impairment makeup routine, my everyday makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then don't forget to smash it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!